Storyboards are a quick and efficient way for an instructional designer to present a clear idea of how they intend to present course content. A storyboard includes descriptions or samples of audio, visual media, and text elements that the instructional designer intends to include in their online learning modules or courses. Storyboards are crucial to planning and providing a roadmap for your vision of your content. This provides not just a preview of the content that will be presented, but also a preliminary idea of the structure and flow of the course. Building a storyboard is also an opportunity to organize content according to when it will be encountered by learners. Including a flowchart allows the instructional designer to give a visual depiction of the progression of content, pages, or slides in a course. In addition to a flowchart, an overview of course objectives and an overarching outline of course content helps to showcase both the purpose and scope of the course. Storyboards have been used in the video and movie industry for many years, and the creators actually have to pitch their storyboards before the films are made. Storyboards are a kind of prototype, something we create to bring our idea to life and cheaply. Interestingly enough, the first documented use of storyboards like we know today were used by the team at Disney working on the animated Three Little Pigs movie. Depending on the course you are creating, you may wish to design a course blueprint. A course blueprint consists of 4 elements which include the course description, general course goals, performance objectives, and learning outcomes. Each page or slide of the planned e-learning content should be represented in the storyboard. Most storyboards contain the following information: the project title and individual page title, text that will be presented on a page or display, graphics such as images that will be utilized, any background image, and the overall layout of the content. Video media or a description or a link to the source of the video helps plan your direction. Many storyboards are created by one person but handed to someone to create the content and/or media of the entire course. So the more detail, the better. Audio transcript such as voiceover narration. Navigation information such as links that will be included in the page being described and where they will take the learner. Here is an example of a storyboard created by an e-learning student using the template that has been discussed throughout this presentation. This is another student example of a storyboard that was designed a little bit differently from the previous examples. This is a great reference for alternative ways to create your storyboard. There is no right way to visually create a storyboard. The most important thing is that you understand the flow and that all of the necessary content is included. If you would like to view this storyboard in more detail, there is also an attachment in the content of this module. Once complete, an instructional designer may present their storyboard to team members or shareholders involved in the instruction, requesting feedback to ensure that all necessary content is included and being conveyed appropriately and efficiently. Having the course mapped out and getting a consensus prior to developing the course further can save the instructional designer time from having to redo a project from scratch because their hard work didn't meet the expectations of their clients. Storyboards are a quick and efficient way for an instructional designer to present a clear roadmap of how they intend to present course content.